All right. Good morning. So let's try to learn two songs from Color and the Shape by the Foo Fighters. First is my favorite song by the Foo Fighters ever, and that is Everlong. It's a little bit difficult because to sing and play it because of the strumming. The strumming is pretty fast. Thing that's a little difficult is that slide down and slide back up. Hitting that thing perfect is a little challenging, and that's going to need some practice. So anyways, you're going to use your pinky, your middle, and your ring finger for the first chord shape. Your ring finger is going to go on the 10th fret E string. Your middle finger is going to go on the 9th fret A string. And then your pinky is going to go on the 11th fret D string. And you're only going to play those top three strings. Now the reason that you finger it like that is because you're going to drop your pointer in on the 9th fret E string and simultaneously lift up on your ring finger. So difficult part, you've got to slide down where your pointer is on the 3rd fret, your middle finger is on the 5th fret, and then your pinky is on the 7th fret. Slide back up, and that's where you're at. And if you can do that, then you have the first part of the song. I waited I've thrown myself into Now from there, this is, okay, so here's what you're going to do. A string, you're going to hit the 4th fret, 5th fret, 7th fret, 9th fret, and then pinky on the 12th fret, and then slide down into an A. Right? When I sing along with you, thinking everything's good forever. B, D, B, G, D, A, G. First chord shape. Ooh, I messed that up. All right, so we got that done. So the next song from Color and Shape is my second favorite song on the album, and it's significantly easier to play and beautiful. It's a beautiful song. Isn't that pretty? Love those chords. Okay, so he loves this chord, this B, and I don't know if it's B5 or
pointer finger on the A string, 2nd fret. You have to mute the E string, top E string with your thumb. Pointer finger on the A string, 2nd fret, ring finger on the 4th fret, D string, and then pinky on the G string, 4th fret. And that same chord is in Everlong. 2nd chord is pointer finger on the G string of the 2nd fret, ring finger on the 4th fret, D string, and then pinky on the 4th fret, A string. You're muting the top E string with your thumb. And you're hitting these strings down here too. It's a nice sounding chord. So it's E. And that's pretty much a very, very large majority of the song. I think I'm done nursing the patience. This could wait one night. Give it all away if you give me one last try. We'll live happily ever tried if you just save my life. Run and tell the angels that everything's alright. Chorus, looking to the sky to save me. Looking for a sign of life. Looking for something to help me burn out right. Looking for complication. Looking 'cause I'm tired of lying. G, make my way back. A, E, G, A, B, D, D, F sharp major, G, A. Try, fly, fly along with me. I can't quite make it alone. Oof, that's an important part, okay? You gotta hit that E, stop it, hit the F sharp major, stop it, and then strum into the G. B, to start out the bridge. The bridge. B, G, D, fly along with me, I can't quite make it alone. Try to make this life my own, yeah. Fly along with me, I can't quite make it alone. Try to make this life my own, yeah. Like that. That's how it is. And then back into the looking to the sky to save me. And that's it. That's the whole song. That's an easy one that you have to learn. You know, there's a lot of songs that, because of the way the guitar, you're playing the guitar, you can't give what you need to the vocals. What am I talking? That song is not one of them. What I'm trying to say is you can really emote vocally and at the same time play some really nice chords, and it's gonna sound really great. You know what I mean? Like, you know? Anyways, talk to you later. Have a good rock and roll weekend. Happy Labor Day weekend, everybody. Peace.